Today we are going to create a Python 3 virtual environment in Ubuntu. First, open the folder you want to create the environment. Right-click and select Open in Terminal. Use this command to install the virtual environment if it's not already installed. After installing virtual environment, you can create new virtual environment using Python 3. We can specify any environment name here. You can see the respective files created by the environment here. Now we need to activate the environment using this command. Now you can see our environment is activated. Now you can install any Python packages in the environment. Like I am installing Django. You can copy all this command from the description below.